I'm Gary Nitzkin. I'm an attorney with Credit Repair Lawyers of America. We're the muscle for credit repair companies around the country. When you can't get something off the credit report the nice way, we do it the hard way with litigation. On this website, I've listed things that you should do and things that you should not do when running your credit repair business. I want to talk about some of the more important points. First, take your time with your clients. Make sure that they have your full attention. Give them the best skill that you can to get them in the best possible place credit-wise. You're literally tinkering with people's lives when you try to get their credit scores adjusted upwards. Take each client very seriously. Remember this, a happy client will tell 10 friends. An unhappy client will tell the world. 2, run your practice ethically. I've been working in this industry for enough years to have seen credit repair companies come and go. The ones that stay in this business are those that run their business in an ethical manner. They comply with the law. They call me if they have any questions. I'm here to answer those questions and to keep you compliant. The ethical running of your practice is up to you. 3, don't take your client's money unless you're fairly certain you can help. Most credit repair companies charge an audit fee. They review a consumer's credit report and put together a strategy of how they intend to help the consumer. For bonus points, they also look to see if the consumer has recently been late on anything. If so, they generally form the conclusion that no matter what they do, the consumer is just not going to do his part. Unless you can help the consumer in a cost-effective manner, don't take their money. 4, start building your contact list today. After you form your business, join the Better Business Bureau. Join other groups and get active as well. Let people know who you are and what you do. When you build a good reputation, people will send you business. 5, keep your clients in the loop for everything you do for them. After you draft a dispute letter, have your client read it and sign it. Insist that your client participate in the repairing of his credit. If your client is not interested in working with you, don't represent this person. Your client has to take responsibility for how he got here, and he also has to take responsibility for how to get out of here. If you have a prospective client that says, just fix my credit, leave me alone, do that. Just leave them alone. Don't get involved. 6, don't promise your client any particular increase in his credit score. You have no crystal ball and you have no idea if your efforts are even going to be successful. Even if your efforts are successful and you've removed everything that's negative, you have no idea how much that credit score is going to increase, if at all. Do not promise your clients anything you can't deliver. If you say anything like, we guarantee your credit score will increase 30 points in 30 days, you're running a scam operation. 7, don't promise your client that you're going to remove any particular negative. Factually speaking, many negatives are removed in the first round of dispute letters. What if your client is one of those people for whom the disputes are not effective? You'll have a gravely disappointed client and maybe a complaining one. 8, do not dispute a negative item on your consumer's credit report unless you have a good faith basis for doing so. I can't emphasize this enough. The days of disputing an item as not mine, they're over. Under the Credit Repair Organization Act, credit bureaus can, and they're starting to come after credit repair companies for sending disputes without having a good faith basis. It's illegal and will get you into trouble. Well, there you have it. Have a look at my list of do's and don'ts on the webpage. Take them to heart. I will increase this list over time, so check back every now and then to see what best practices are and which ones you should avoid. I'm attorney Gary Nitzkin. If you have any questions about what I've talked about here or on my website, call or email me. Thank you.